To change your credit card on Vudu, follow these simple steps. First, sign in to your Vudu account on the website or through the mobile app. Once you are logged in, navigate to the account menu, which is usually represented by your name or a profile icon. Click on this icon to access the drop-down menu. Then select the account settings option. This will take you to a page where you can manage various aspects of your account, including your payment information. In the account settings page, look for the payment methods section. This is where you can view, edit, or remove existing credit cards, as well as add new ones. To update your credit card information, click on the Edit Payment Method button next to the card you want to update. You will be prompted to enter your new credit card details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Make sure to enter the information accurately to avoid any issues with your account. If you want to add a new credit card, click on the Add Payment Method button and follow the same process. Once you have entered the new credit card details, click on the Save Changes button to update your payment information. It is essential to keep your payment information up to date to ensure uninterrupted access to Vudu services. Additionally, make sure to review Vudu's terms and conditions regarding payment methods and account management to avoid any potential issues. By following these steps, you can easily change your credit card on Vudu and continue enjoying your favorite movies and TV shows without any disruptions. Remember to always keep your account information secure and up to date to protect your personal and financial data.